Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nutella truffles. First, ensure your cream cheese is softened to 70 degrees Fahrenheit for easy mixing. Combine 8 ounces of cream cheese with 1 cup of Nutella in a large bowl. Mix these two ingredients thoroughly until they are completely smooth and well incorporated. This forms the creamy base for your delicious truffles. Next, gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar to your Nutella and cream cheese mixture. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing until all ingredients are fully combined and the mixture is smooth. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling step is crucial for the truffles to firm up, making them easy to roll. After chilling, it's time to roll your truffles. Use a small scoop, about 1 tablespoon in size, to portion out the mixture. Roll each portion between your palms to form smooth, round balls. Now, prepare your coatings. You can use cocoa powder, finely chopped nuts, or colorful sprinkles. Gently roll each truffle in your chosen coating until it is completely covered, ensuring an even layer. Once coated, place your beautiful Nutella truffles on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Return them to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the coatings to set firmly. For optimal freshness, store your truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Serve them chilled and enjoy these rich, decadent homemade treats with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.